Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Preshi Godwin. In this video I'm going to teach you how to trade on a crypto website. In our previous video that is in the description below, I taught on how to open a crypto website account. So now I'm going to teach you how to trade there. In case you're looking for a way to trade, or you're working as a freelancer in a website where they use crypto as their payment method, and you don't know how to withdraw your money, or you don't know if you withdraw it to crypto, you don't know how you can sell it. So today I'm going to show you how to sell and how to buy in crypto, so that it will be very easy for you. You can exchange it to any fiat of your country. So without wasting time, let's go down to the screen. If today is your first day of coming across my channel and you find this video informative, please do subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload this kind of video, YouTube will update you.
I use phone to do tutorials because that's what I use in working. I don't have time to be carrying laptop up and down, and I know at any given time everybody has their own phone at hand. So that is why I normally use phone to do the tutorial and make it easy for everybody, so that even if you don't have a laptop and you have a phone, you can make money with it. Yes, you can maximize your earning. Let's go straight to the tutorial. So the first thing now is to click on this three drop down menu. When you click on it, you click on sign in. Once you get to sign in page, this is how it looks like. So you click on email address. I already stored my email and password, so I'm just going to click on it and sign in. Alright, once you sign in, another thing you have to do is to go back to the drop down menu, click on it, click on order book. That is the next place we're going to go. Order book. Once you get to this order book, what you have to do is to choose the coin you want to trade. For example, this is Litecoin. If you want to trade Litecoin, it's simple because that is normally the coin that I like trading. I've mastered this so much, so I like trading Litecoin. But there are several coins you can trade here. You can trade with your Naira, you can trade with USDT. So I like trading with Naira so that I will know how much income I'm making, or know how much gain I'm going to make in one trade. So you can trade with Tron, USDT, Naira, Tron Naira, Dash Naira, Litecoin, SRP, that is Repo. Then you can still trade with the Aquidas coin because they have their own coin. Bitcoin, Ethereum, you can trade with anyone. And you can also trade with USDT. This Lite USDT, Ethereum, Tron, each and every one of them you can trade with USDT. So now we're going to learn on how to buy and how to sell, how to place the orders. So the first thing we're going to do now is we're going to place order on Litecoin. Buying one Litecoin for 82,959 naira because I'm using Naira to trade. This is my trade. I just sold some last night. Okay, fine. When you buy or sell, this is a sign you're going to see. This star is signifying that this is your trade. But with time, you're going to master it. Even if there is no star, you already know where you place your trade. It's not like Binance. Why I'm showing you how to trade on Quidas is because Binance is too complicated. It's a large company, so some people, it's difficult for them to understand how to trade there. So but Quidas is very simple and have a friendly interface that everybody can trade on it. Once you open the coin, you place your order. Once you buy, you go to sell. As simple as that. But don't forget to learn the candles, how the candlesticks work. So if you find this video informative, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload this kind of informative video, YouTube will update you. Alright, let's go back. Then the next thing now is to place the order. So what I'm going to do is that I want to buy it as 82,994 naira. So what I'm going to do, once I click, you have to click on where you want to place your order. I clicked on it. So the next thing I will do now is to go to this place. It has already showed in the price that is 82,994 naira. This is the volume. So what I'm going to do, you decide if you want to sell 100% of your money, sorry, if you want to buy 100% of your money, 75%, 50% is going to leave 16,000 because you are divided into two, 25%. So you just choose anywhere you want. This is the volume of the money in Litecoin, 0.096. For example, I want to use all 100%. Okay, let me say I want to use 75%. That is how it is. You can quickly change the price. Maybe this price now is too high for you. We want to reduce the price because it goes up and down. So what you have to do is to delete, put any price you want. If you want 82,600 or 82,500, you delete it and put 82,500 naira. Then you want to buy 75% of your money that is available there. So once you put it, you click on buy Litecoin. I've placed the order. Then you have to scroll down, look at here where you will see it. Once you buy now, it will go from here. You can see histories here. This is my trades. Since yesterday I've been trading. So this is where it will be. And also you want to sell, maybe peradventure you've bought and you want to sell it. Now let's go to place order on how to sell. Remember, the green side is the buying side and the red side is the selling side. So now we want to sell Quidas coin that we've already bought. Okay, as you can see, the market I just put now 82,500. Look at it here. This 82,500. This is the market I just placed now. So they're already buying 83,000. So if I want to buy immediately and follow them the way they are going, I have to remove it from here and come to 83,000. Or okay, look at where this person place his or her own order. That is 83,116 naira. So you can place your own order there, but sometimes it used to be risky, so you have to place it lower because it goes up and comes down. If you eventually reach where you place your order, they're going to buy it. That is how it works here. So let's go to sell. So now I want to sell this my coin, which is about 1.470 Litecoin. So what I want to do now is that I have to scroll up, go to selling. The red part of it is the selling part. So I want to sell it. If you buy at the rate of 83,000 now, then you're going to sell it at the rate of 85,000, 2,000 naira again. That is what you're going to make here. You can do instant buying and selling. I'm going to take you to that place too. Please, if you have any question in this video, do comment at the comment section. I'm going to attend to all of them. So what we're going to do is to place this. So now I want to sell it at the rate of 85,400. It's not necessary you put it here. You can put it wherever you want. By then you would have checked on the candle and see that you will be able to sell it there as it's coming up here. First of all, you have to click on 85,500 anywhere you want to place the order. So you click there. So I'm going to sell this now. This is what's going to come at 125,669. So I'm going to remove this 7 and put it 5,450. So this is what I'm going to get. Let's just place the order. Sell Litecoin. Look at it, it has come down to this place too. After selling it, it will go off here and come down to this place. So let's go and check it and see how it is. Okay, look at it here. So you see how where it is. So actually I can sell it. Once these numbers cross it up, I'm going to sell it. Once it's moving, it's already moving 83,169. Is going up. The coin is going up this morning. So probably in few time it's going to reach this particular place. Now I place my order and I'm going to sell it. Guys, that is as simple as that. So everybody can do it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification button. If you're new here, you're highly welcome to my channel. I'm still going to show you how to do swap. For example, you don't have time to trade for much, or you're using Quidas as your payment method from any freelance website. So what you're going to do now is to go to instant swap. You can use instant swap to withdraw your money. For example, now this coin, I have Ripple here. then to dollar. No, I want to sell it to naira. I have to click here, change it to naira. So once I click maximum, the number will come out. This naira to ripple. So this 8,000 now is going to turn to ripple. I'm going to use it to buy ripple. That is called instant swap. But now I don't want to use it to buy any ripple because I don't buy instant swap. It's mostly used by people that are being paid through freelance websites. Then you can withdraw it. I know you might have registered on Quiddas, but please, if you've not registered on Quiddas, check my previous video on how to register on Quiddas to register before you start trading, because it's beneficial for people that are using coin as their payment method in freelance website. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how to copy your wallet address if you want to use it for payment method at any freelance website. Thank you for staying to the end of this video, and if you find this video informative, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload this kind of video, you'll be updated.
The risk warning is that cryptocurrency trading is subject to high market risk, and you will be responsible for your trading losses. Please trade with caution. Be aware of phishing sites and always make sure you are visiting the official Quiddas or Binance website when entering sensitive data.
And please, if you have any question, do comment it at the comment section. I'm going to attend to it one after the other.